Okay, so this question is left and right sum difference. So you are given the integer array, and then basically you just follow the constraint. So let's look at this. Your answer is going to be determined between the left sum and right sum. So left sum is the sum of the element to the left of the index I, and right sum is going to be the right, right? So let's look at this. Example 1, 10, 4, 8, 3, right? So for the left sum, there is no index on the left for index 0, right? So it should be 0. This is index 1, index 2, index 3. So the left sum for index 1 is 10. The left sum for index 2 is what? 14. And then 3 will be what? 22. Alright, let's talk about the right sum. The right sum for the index 3 is 0, right? The right sum for index 2 is 3. The right sum for index 1 is 11. The right sum for index 0 is what? 12 and 15. Alright, so now we have the left and right sum, and then we want to make sure it's the absolute difference between left minus right. Left minus right, absolute. So let's look about this. Left minus right, 0 minus 15 is positive 15, right? 10 minus 1 is positive 1. 14 minus 3 is positive 11. 22 minus 0 is 22. Make sure you have absolute. So I'm actually saying this incorrectly because I'm missing the absolute, but it's going to be absolute between left minus right. So yeah, one tricky solution is going to be left sum equal to new in. The length is going to be represented the same as the num_sum length, and then it will be exactly the same for right sum. Alright, now we need to have a return value. It's going to be result equal to new int num_sum length. Alright, so again, we have no index. No left index on index 0, so we can traverse from 1 all the way to the end. And then left sum will just become the left sum I plus I minus 1 plus num_set I minus 1, right? We don't look at the current index I, we look at whatever we have previously for left sum, and also the current left index for num_side. So using the trick for this is going to be the same, but again, we don't have the right index on the last value, the last index in the num, so it's going to be num_sub length minus 2 and all the way to the beginning in I minus minus. So this would be left sum I, right? So right sum I will become the right sum I plus 1 plus num_set I plus 1. So this will be pretty much whatever we have for left sum and right sum. Alright, so now we can try to return the result, but we need to assign the value. So for in I equals 0, I less than result.length I plus plus. And then we want to make sure the result at I is going to be absolute difference between left sum minus right sum. So this will be the solution. It should be okay. Alright, time and space is this all of n, time this is all of n, all of n, all of n. So time and space are the same. So if you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.